Hi everyone. In this video we're going to review box plots, how we construct them, how we make them, and what each part basically of the box plot mean. So we have this example, which is an animated representation. The ages of several students in a middle school study group are shown. Order the data from least to greatest and find the needed values to construct a box plot for the data. So that is our first step, basically. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So that's what we're going to do. Now, at a 7th grade level, basically, you are not required to make or construct the box plot. You are required to be able to read and interpret the data that you see on the box plot. Okay, but for us to start talking about the data and what things they mean, we have to understand what it's made of. So now we put the data in order from least to greatest, and we'll check our work. And next step, we're going to find the minimum value. So the least value is 11. That's our lowest or minimum. Sometimes they call it the extreme lowest, extreme highest for the greatest value, those kind of like vocabulary that you will hear. This is the minimum value, so we locate it right here on the number line. And as you see, for us to create a box plot, we need a number line. And we have to use value that is relative to the numbers in the data that we have here. Next, we're going to find the maximum or the greatest value or the highest value or the extreme highest value. So, and that is 14. And we're going to check that, and it was labeled for us right here. So, find the minimum, find the highest or the maximum. Next, we're going to find the median. Now, sometimes it's hard to do this on the screen, like focus, okay, one right, one left. I cancel one from the right, one from the left, right, left. So like it will be easier for me if I use my fingers, basically right, left, right, left, right, left, and then until I get in the middle. So right here, it will be the middle exactly. And just to be sure, like I got it right, special that it's not on paper, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So exactly that is the middle. Now the median is the number that is going to split the data into two equal parts, in two halves. Exactly, split them in half. So here we have two numbers, which is the 12 and the 12. And when we average them, it will average to 12 as well. So the median is 12. And again, if you end up with two numbers, you have to add them and then divide by 2. So if I do 12 plus 12 divided by 2, it will be 12 as well. So here we go. This is the median right here on the number line. Next, we're going to find what we call the lower quartile. Now, the median split the data right here, exactly right here. Now, we have to find the median of this data right here, the median of this data. So I go from here and down. So I cancel right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. So I end up right here between the 11 and the 12. And if I average them, which means 11 plus 12, which is 23 divided by 2, it will be 11 and 5/10. Okay, or I can think of it, what is the number that is exactly between the 11 and 12, and that is 11.5. All right, so we put that in, which is right here, 11.5. The next thing, we're going to find the upper quartile. So we said the median is here, is to split the data into two parts. So we're going to find basically the median of the upper part of the data. So we're going to find the median of this part. So that's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we end up with 13 and 13. and they averaged 13, or exactly in the middle, so that is 13. All right, now, and you see the box, it is, we connect the interquartile, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile and make the box. And the median is the line that is in the middle. And this is the most important part for you whenever you see a box plot for this grade level. So I understand this data point right here is the least value. The line in the middle of the box, this is the median of the data. This dot right here is the maximum value. Now, we have, this is the median of the upper part data. This is the median of the lower part of the data. Now, we have what we call the range. The range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum. So this is 14 minus 11, so that is 3, which means the data extend or spreads over 3 numbers or 3 units. There is another thing, what we call the interquartile range. The interquartile range is basically the range between the quartiles. So that is this is basically what we mean, like the length of the box. Interquartile range is the length of the box or the range of the box, how long the box is. So that is 13 minus the 11 and 5/10, which is going to be 1 and 5/10. So this is just an introduction to the box plot. And the next video, we will basically learn how to compare them. Please take notes of the name, and I'm sorry that I'm not able to write today because I don't have my laptop today and the other one is not working. So I did the best I can with this. Have a good day.